y'all? It's your girl ⴚ in the building, and I'm back with another video. And today's video is going to be me putting on my wig. So I already started. I put the ball cap and did my braids and slick it back. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Like, comment, subscribe. Now let's get into it. So the glue I'm using is ⴚᴜ, and I'm gonna put like probably 2 layers. I'm gonna stick out my edges more, but yeah, I'm gonna put 2 layers of it. So let's get started. So it's a closure, not a frontal, so I'm not gonna go that far, but yeah. And I really hate closures, but whatever, we're gonna make it work. I wanna see if I could eat with a closure. So I'm placing it on. Now I'm gonna fix it up after, but place it out like this. Gotta put this wig band on, and then I'm gonna actually try to fix the color. I know I should have colored it, but I hate coloring the wig, putting makeup and stuff. So we're gonna do a middle part as always. This hair is really tame. That's one thing I could say. But I'm gonna comb that. And I will be putting makeup, so it won't, so it can blend better. So I'm about to cut this lace because it is showing a little too much. Because I don't want it to be too much lace, and it's red, so might as well cut it. Okay, that's perfect. Now time to do the other side. Now that is perfect. Now I can make do. Now I'm gonna pluck it and make it look better. So I'm just gonna do this. And I'm definitely going to be needing makeup because I even put makeup on the bottom. But it's okay. So I'm gonna take this much. And I'm not gonna do edges yet, but take that and just take your tweezer and just pluck. Because I wanted to give it that natural hairline. To maybe blend it a little more.
I don't understand what's going on.
Oh, hell no, the spritz are making it. Oh my god. The spritz are making it bleed onto my forehead. Well, it don't look like I'm gonna be using spritz on this wig. But let me just use my wax stick. I don't know why it's bleeding. hot comb effect because I'm not gonna have a hot comb. So we're just gonna make do. So it should give it that effect. I'm gonna glue this part down. On the part because it's like red, and I should have put the makeup on the inside. Honestly, I'm not even fucking with makeup right now, but I need to do it because I don't want to look crazy, so I'm gonna put it. Oh, that was a lot. Okay, that should be good. Don't worry, I'm gonna wipe off the rest. Don't mind the background. It's messy. All types of clothes to clean up that damn makeup on my carpet. But oh snap. Yeah, definitely put it on the inside when you have colored wigs, especially. In the mood to deal with this wig no more foundation. So now it's giving a little more, you know, lace. I mean, not lace, but like the part is giving more because before it wasn't. Okay, so now I'm gonna take the band off. Oof. Yikes. I really hope this edges could help it. No, I'm not liking how this lace looks so far. It's like, let me try putting makeup on it, because it's like, I don't know. So I pulled out some edges. Now I'm gonna take the spritz and spray it on it. And then I'm gonna put my wig band. I'm gonna get my wig band and just place it on there. I'm probably just gonna flat iron it. So yeah. Here's how the wig looks. So I did a really good job. The coloring video is out now, and I hope you guys enjoyed this wig install. Like, comment, subscribe. Now on to the next video.